There they are. They are making a, anong tawag dito? They are making a souvenir. Souvenir making! I-upload yun. There they are. Ay, di mo klaro po eh. Ay ho.
Sana.
Ano dili klaro? Char. Ha? What are you doing, Mark? Are you seducing me or just flirting? Flirting with the sand?
Ayaw, ang lalim man yan.
Hi, Rhea.
Hi, Mihan.
What?
Bart, tawagan.
Sand fight. Mahawa na kung diri, uy. Wow. You're so pretty. You have a white armpit. Uh-huh.
Sige. Full body.
Well, I hope these people will like this place. It's so amazing. Look at the curve. The curve of the curve. Look at that. It's so amazing here. People should, pay reservation ahead of time before they come here for them to have a good place to stay in. Look at Miss May. She's enjoying making our souvenir. Wow. Look at Jordan. They have a separate team building with Miss Jinky's team. And they just he's helping us to make that one. And our sexy Ate Ann.
Hello. Hi.
What can you say?
Hi, Mihan's channel. YouTube channel. What is your channel?
My channel is so amazing.
What's the name of your channel? Masyado malalaki. Kasi ba, HD man yan, no?
Ay, lagi ko more. Alright, alright, so, how have you, did you enjoy staying here?
Yes. What can you say about the boy?
What can you, where?
There.
Boy? Zoom. That boy's there.
That's good. Good sending. Ba't ganun yung sundress niya? Ang baka ko daya. Malaki pa. Picture na ba yan?
Hindi, video to.
Ano
Annyeonghaseyo.
Ni hao ma.
Yawa.
Ma. Puta ka.
Alright, ano ko second batch. Bye-bye.